Not they look me, they look what they show you.
The
Not
panels,
they look
the
me,
sides
look what they show you.
can be changed. Blue, purple, red. This is your first bar. You keep your mixers, your alcohols. You have another bar all the way down here.
You see what they show you?
If you look, you have your
See.
first monitor.
And they do this video, they give all the celebrity from Nigeria. Shibuna, they say that they advertise this motor now. Shibuna don't see them. The reason why they do this video, all those people where they advertise this motor, go their country. You go hard before you go see say, then they drive them. Because then they do what they give our celebrity. We not come buy. Problem they Nigeria. Una not want solve the problem when they Nigeria. Una go they busy they buy cars. You just say one person will buy car 100 million, $500 million. Una go they buy and they drive for road where no good. People go talk. Una go see they say go and sit down. All of una this thing one of the things na play so. If this thing warrant it will affect everybody. Make una they busy they buy cars now. Una know the why una know they imitate Akon. Una know they see Akon. Go check what Akon they do for your place. Go check am. Our celebrity money una they buy car. If na use an open company for some village, una go employ different many youths. No, una no go fit open company. Una no go fit help youths. No, una they busy they buy cars billions, millions. Because the only thing when Nigeria focus on na to buy car. Una ti say na play. See make I tell una all those cars una they busy they buy so. If you warrant you see that your roseless, you will turn to useless. All the car they go burn out to artists. Una ti say na play. Okay, una don't know what they happen. Now they busy they buy car be. And most of una when they outside the country will be say Nigeria issue they happen now. Things they spoil. Instead of make una they do video, they still they contribute for what they happen. Most of them go they say thank God say another Nigeria again. Thank God say that. Thank God say not be me. See if it's up, thank God say not be me. No, they go affect everybody. All the houses when are there here, they busy, they build, they put parapet, they will burn everything down. Fulani go they exchange gun, and they go they fix their bullet. That your house where you say you get, will make you lock up. House no good now go they form. Our celebrity they busy, they buy cars. Nobody, una no see. You see the prophet TB Joshua wey come also. Una never know what they happen. That man are the pillar of some people life. Una know how many people that man they pay a salary. You know how many people that man they pay salary. You know how many widows that man they take care of. You know how many orphanages that man they pay money give, they help. You know how many people when don't get work where that man give work. Okay, ask yourself, as this man don't die now, all those people who go they pay their salary. See, the death of TB Joshua, it will be like when they stop Okada for Benin. Many people, poverty will visit so many people again. Who now? Who be the person where you go replace this man now to where you go they assist people like this? Now when be say Prophet TB Joshua now don't die now. Instead of make the rest pastors now jam head together now go reason how they will change Nigeria out to the whole help those poor now. No, waiting so pastor go they busy they do now. They go they plan how they will win the man members. You go the one win the soul. Before you know what happen after 1 month now, evangelists go full everywhere. They want win soul. They won't win the man members. Come to our church. Also because now this death now they no say pastor and pastors now enemy they be. Now enemy I don't know supposed to be one. They say Christianity but now they thought of themselves. Now they do together. What did they verse me? Una go say una go help una fellow brother. Una go they use and they do bodyguard. Nigeria citizen would they use your fellow Nigeria citizen they do bodyguard also. You go the guide person. Now, Nigeria now the only thing where they trade everywhere now. Even though say they sell egg now, if you just get follower, you don't carry bodyguard. The bodyguard where they get now as Nigeria citizen. Now so you want to help. Una tise na pepe. See the rate when the rich take pass the poor for Nigeria is too much. The gallop too much. Come outside country before you go know the poor, before you go know poor person, it is hard. Go Nigeria now. Once you go to know the poor person, now once you go to know the rich.